Here's a short FAQ on understanding the imprint fields for the company for both laser check and manual checks. So you can see between the two of them that the fields that are showing here are virtually identical. So these company name and address fields here, you can type the data in, so test company name. Okay, then there's a second line here, so that could be maybe an operating as. Okay, so maybe it's a Subway. And so again, maybe it's a numbered company, and then you have an operating as line. Okay, that's pretty common. Or another one would be, real estate company, and then they may have a general account or a trust account. Okay, after you've entered in the company name, you then have line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and these allow you to type in an address. And so in line 1 here, as you start typing, you can see it's tied to the Canada Post database for address complete. And so you can select that here, it auto-populates, and then if you want in line 3 and 4, you could add things like a telephone number. You could add a fax after that if you wanted to. Okay, and if you felt like it or needed it, you could also enter in company name. Or sorry, website. Okay, so completely up to you, but you can see here as you enter the data in, it shows up on the check image over here. And then so you have these little tick boxes here, and so what these allow you to do is to change everything to all caps or up or lower by clicking a button here. So if I want to change all the address information here, it's now made everything all caps, okay, and updated the image on the checks. If you unselect it, it'll revert back to up or lower. And then you can see over here, you have the same option. So if you typed it in all caps, you have the ability to change it to upper lowercase just by clicking buttons, okay? By far, it's most common on checks for almost everything to be all caps all the time. But again, you typically want to match the sample that you have from a customer. So some customization options on the screen here is you have center align or left align options. You just click a button, and then you can see here, it'll move the position around on the check image. And if I go to a manual check, the same thing applies. So I can type in company name. Okay, we'll just say general account. Oops, I forgot to do all caps. No problem. Click those buttons, enter an address. Okay, same thing. I want all caps. Just click a button and it does that. And you have the same options here for center align or left align.